14 Dodge Grand Caravan SE, one owner, previous government fleet vehicle, very well maintained, clean body, good tires. Stone go seating. $100,000 miles on it. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Nice clean black cloth interior. You've got CD player with auxiliary input for MP3, dual zone heat and air conditioning with rear heat and air conditioning. Cruise control on the steering wheel, driver information center. You've got steering wheel stereo controls on the back side of the steering wheel. Bunch of cup holders and power points. Second row falls down flat into the floor. These seats will recline. We go forward and back. You got armrests. Nice big back seat, and that back seat folds down flat as well. Nice big rear area back here. See how deep it is? These seats fold down flat into there, giving you a flat load floor. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We'll 6 o'clock all week and 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.